Why people for street where they beg, they actually carry pikin, and why the pikin not dey always wake up?
Now they give them sleeping medicine.
Okay. I actually go with say that they give them sleeping medicine because I don't dey inside bus with person where they begging carry pikin, and the pikin not move an inch, and the pikin not even shake head. I couldn't wonder so wetin dey happen, and then person call tell me say that they give them sleeping medicine. Well, if you dey actually wonder, and maybe you guess like us, you feel actually dey right, because now they don't have some women, mothers, where they actually decide to rent their pikin out to these beggars, may the beggars go actually use them beg for street.
No way.
I tell you. Now, according to the mother, they don't come outside talk, say one of the mother na Adiza Nusuri, and the other one na Salamotu Salitu, and they arrest them for inside Lagos State. Now, they don't actually come outside talk, say, yes, I dey actually rent my pikin out. I dey rent my pikin out between 1,000 naira and 1,500 naira daily.
What?
1,000 naira and 1,500 naira daily. Now they give my pikin out to these beggars to use them to beg for street. You see, after I don't give them finish, I don't know what that they use the pikin to do. As long as they bring the pikin back to me in the night. Now they don't actually arrest them, and they do answer answer a lot of questions. Now we go talk more concerning this particular one. And don't forget that today we actually talk about child abuse. How we go take stop child abuse for inside Wibodo, Nigeria. Taking the story of the 9-year-old boy where papa actually chained for inside the house all because the boy they thief too much. And also this second one where mothers, they decide to rent their pikin out to beggars to use their pikin anyhow and then bring the pikin back in the night. And according by them, they charge between 1,000 and 1,500. Ridiculous, you talk. When we come back after the break, we'll talk about her.